Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can continue to hold above $9. Now, I use the word continue very deliberately. When you look closely, you can see earlier in the day, the bears tried several times to actually push back down below 9, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of maintaining and holding that level strong as support. So yeah, going forward, if $9 can hold, that would be a huge sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though. In the event the price falls below 9, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can hold up above there, that would be great. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full, power. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Once more, yeah, staying above 9 would be great. But big picture perspective, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as the sellers and where they're hanging out at, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today up there at $9.80. So $9.80 will be, that first kind of public enemy number one. But all in all, resistance levels really don't matter. I mean, they do. But what matters the most right now is just building higher bases. Because as long as the price and a chart builds higher bases over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on going through healthy consolidations, building higher lows as time progresses. And yeah, everything else, like I said, takes care of itself, and let the pieces just fall into place. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.